Hey guys, today we're going to talk about a cool art app slash game that you may have seen before called Quick Draw. Now, Quick Draw is by Google. I actually think it was a Genius Hour project. I think somebody from Google made this on their Genius Hour, and it was an experiment in like artificial intelligence. So the goal is to make a drawing and then the computer be able to guess it. So they're going to give you a word. I'm going to click on Let's Draw, and my word is trombone. Now, have you never seen a trombone before? It looks kind of like a paper clip, so I can take my touch screen or my pad, and it's going to guess. Oh no, trombone has like one more loop, doesn't it? There we go. So you just try your best, and if you come close, they'll be able to guess it. And if you don't know what a word is, you can Google it. Like if you've never heard of a flying saucer before, maybe we click on a new tab and we type in flying saucer, and I'm going to look at images. Oh, it's a spaceship. All right, so then I can go back and I know what I think a spaceship looks like. So I'm going to make a line like this, and it's a flying saucer. So you can keep going. I'll do one more for the video. Shorts, easy peasy, and that's the game. They'll do it six at a time. Sometimes I'm feeling really good and I can get all six, and then sometimes I only get like four or five. But try it out and let me know how it goes, and I'll see you in the next one.